Welcome to Numerah. In this video, we are going to learn how to occupy table for dine-in guests in Numerah POS. After logging to Numerah POS, select Outlet to occupy a table. User will be able to see number of free tables and occupied tables. Select the table number. Select guest type, whether the guest is non-resident or resident. If user select resident, select room number. Numerah POS will take other details like number of person, guest name, mobile number, and GST number as it is connected with Numerah PMS. Click on the I button to see more details of the guest like meal plan, billing instruction, and other stay details. Select and see yes if it is non-chargeable. User can merge the tables if guest group is larger. Click on Occupy to occupy the table. After occupying the table, it will take user to the menu page where user will be able to see the menu categories. User can search for the item by name or code from the search bar, or select the menu category and select the item from the menu. After selecting the item, select the course. Meals are divided into courses, which refers to items served together at once. User will be able to see price, manage the quantity as per the order. Select description if guest has requested and add remarks if any. Click on Add to Cart. Select Cart button where user will be able to see My Cart and All Cart. In My Cart, user will be able to see the orders which have been placed from his or her ID. And in All Cart, user will be able to see all the orders. After verifying order with guest, click on Place Order and confirm it by clicking on Yes. After placing the order, kitchen team can see order details from kitchen TV screen which is available in POS backend. Thank you.